Hello students, in today's video of Python, let us try to execute one program, calculation of frequency of characters using dictionaries and functions. For that, we have to declare one function. Let the name of the function is fun with one parameter. Let us say obj. D is one dictionary, that's empty dictionary, so that we can save the values inside that. For I in object, if I not in D, suppose the item is not there in D, then di equal to 1, else it will add the value in the dictionary. Basically, we are checking the value. If the values are in repetitive mode, then it will add the value, otherwise it will print 1. Then return D. Suppose I write here print hello world, then execute. Hello world is there, but if I pass this value inside function, now it will print the count of the alphabets H1, E1, L3 number of times, then O2, O and O inside hello and inside world, then empty, it's 1, W1, R1 and D1. You can change here. Suppose I write pattern P1, A1, T2, E1, R1 and N1. In this way you can display the count of alphabets from any word or sentence. Let us repeat the program again. If the value is not in D, it means the repetitive mode is not there, it will print 1. If the repetitive mode is there, it will add the value, nothing else. I repeat again. If the single value is there, it will print 1. If the single value is not there, multiple values are there, then it will add the value by 1. It means increment each time by 1 and return D. Next time I will try to print out some value along with square or cube with the data using dictionary.